Magtame cords. Let's talk about it. I actually have a flight to catch and I have to leave in about an hour or so, but may as well go through this handy tech, the Magtame cords, for the meantime. I do have time, don't I? Yes. Okay. I'm the type of person that makes sure that I 100% have everything I need for a trip when it comes to clothing, toiletries, and tech. You know, the absolute main tech I bring on a business trip is my phone, MacBook Pro, camera of course, and a drone, sometimes an action camera. I do know that I have OCD, which isn't a bad thing, but I just constantly check if I'm good to go and everything's all tidy. You know, one of the things that do bother me are my cords. They don't look great. I mean, they really don't. Don't you agree? But it is what it is for what it's for. And we have to carry them around. You know, I always carry a spare Velcro, have them intact. Till recently, Magtame contacted me and introduced the magnetic cords. Just blew my mind. I didn't even think about magnets on cords. So Magtame sent me a couple of cords for me to review and check out. I've got 3 cords. All are C2C, rubber magnetic, nylon braided. The Beast cable is marked at 30 kilograms of tensile strength, which is pretty strong. Has a very nice sheen to it with some crisscross patterns and has a good weight on it. Like a premium feel in your hands. Well, drop test. Yeah, I've got the O mag cable, 60 watts, black, 1 meter long, which is very neat and tidy, mostly for my everyday gadgets, you know, cell phone, earphones, microphone, even my portable printer. Second, I've got the C mag cable, 60 watts, silver black, 1.5 meters long. I'll let you know the differences between the O and the C in a sec, but since this one's a little bit longer, I've been using this with my drone, gimbal, camera batteries, and action cameras. And third, the beast of a cord, the O mag cable, 100 watt, black, 2 meters long, to charge my MacBook. They just feel sturdy, I'm not gonna lie. The O and C differences is that the O mag cables, as you can see, are rounded cords that magnetizes on layers, making it look like a bracelet in which you can wear this as a very fashionable techie bracelet. The C mag cables are more flat and get magnetized on top of each other, which is great for saving bag space. My old cables have retired now and no more confusing cables in my table nor my bag. You know, it fits perfectly in my bag, by the way. It's quite satisfying. Actually, here's a before and after shot of what my bag used to look like and what it looks like now. These magnets are actually pretty strong, you know, on your wall storage, your desk, dishwasher, so you can be reminded to run it. These cords are tangle-free, which is good for my brain. Yeah. With the OMAG cables, you can just have them straight up connect to having look like a spring. And for faster packing, when it's time to pack up, there you go. Or just straighten them up, tangle-free. Of course, you'll have to pack them normally when you pack up cords, but magnetically. Oh shoot, my Uber driver's here. Hang on. Oh, all right. By the way, thank you for watching it up until this part of the video. It's a great device, it really is. And there is a coupon code down below if ever you want to check this out, an affiliate link as well. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe, like, all that stuff, and catch you guys in the next one, okay? Bye. Accessorize, make sure to bring it, don't forget it. By the way, can I charge? Get out of here. Bag. Oh, of course, the camera.